Hey tech enthusiasts, brace yourselves because the AI landscape is about to get a whole lot more interesting. We're talking about a major talent shuffle that could reshape the future of artificial intelligence. What if I told you that the very people building the most advanced AI are now jumping ship to a brand new venture? It's not just any venture, it's one led by none other than Mira Murati, the former CTO of OpenAI. Yes, the very same OpenAI that brought us ChatGPT. This isn't just a minor personnel change. It's a potential power shift in the making. Are we witnessing the birth of a new AI titan? Let's dive in. So, what's the big deal? Well, Murati's new startup, Thinking Machines Lab, is already making waves. They've managed to snag around 30 leading researchers and engineers from some of the biggest names in the industry, including OpenAI itself, Meta, and Mistral. That's like poaching the star players from the Yankees, the Lakers, and Real Madrid all at once. But it's not just about the talent, it's about the mission. Thinking Machines Lab is focusing on creating AI systems that are more collaborative with humans. Think AI that works with us, not against us. Could this be the key to unlocking the true potential of AI? What do you think? Now, Murati's departure from OpenAI isn't exactly a shocker to those who've been following the behind-the-scenes drama. She briefly served as interim CEO during the whole Sam Altman saga, when he was ousted and then quickly reinstated. Her exit marks yet another high-profile departure from OpenAI, joining a growing list of former executives who are launching their own AI startups, like Anthropic and Safe Superintelligence. Is this a sign that OpenAI's dominance is being challenged? Or is it simply a natural evolution of the AI industry, with talented individuals branching out to pursue their own visions? This is getting interesting. Who will be the next to leave? Let me know your thoughts. And get this, Murati is already raising funds from venture capitalists for her new venture. That's right, the money is flowing. Investors are clearly betting big on her vision. This is a major vote of confidence in Murati's leadership and the potential of Thinking Machines Lab. But what exactly are they going to build? What kind of AI products are they going to create? The details are still under wraps, but the anticipation is definitely building. This funding could be the spark that ignites a new era of AI innovation, providing the resources needed to challenge existing giants and explore uncharted territory. What do you think they will build? But the AI story doesn't end there. Across the globe, in China, a different kind of revolution is brewing. After a period of regulatory crackdowns and economic uncertainty, Chinese tech stocks are showing signs of a major comeback. Investment banks like Bank of America Securities are even suggesting that the view on China is shifting from tradable to investable. That's a huge change in sentiment. Are we witnessing a turning point for China's tech industry? Could this be the start of a new golden age for Chinese innovation? One of the key drivers behind this renewed optimism is a recent meeting between Chinese President Xi Jinping and business leaders in the tech sector, including Alibaba co-founder Jack Ma. This is a highly symbolic event, signaling a potential détente between the government and private enterprise. The fact that Xi is publicly embracing tech leaders suggests that the crackdown on tech giants is easing. This could unleash a wave of innovation and investment, propelling China's tech industry to new heights. What does Jack Ma's comeback mean for China's tech future? Adding fuel to the fire is the emergence of DeepSeek, a Chinese AI startup that claims to have developed a cut-price AI model. This is significant because it could make AI technology more accessible and affordable, accelerating its adoption across various industries. DeepSeek could potentially disrupt the AI landscape, challenging the dominance of Western companies and fostering a new era of competition. Is DeepSeek the answer to democratizing AI? Or is it just another flash in the pan? Let me know your thoughts. The buzz around DeepSeek, coupled with Xi's support for the tech sector, has led some analysts to tout the rise of China's terrific 10 tech stocks as an alternative to the U.S. Magnificent Seven. These 10 companies, including Alibaba, JD.com, Tencent, and Baidu, are seen as the driving forces behind China's tech resurgence. But can they truly compete with the giants of Silicon Valley? Is this a David versus Goliath story in the making? The stakes are high, and the world is watching. And it's not just China that's attracting investor attention. Emerging market countries as a whole are seeing a surge in capital inflows, particularly into debt. This is driven by a combination of factors, including lower interest rates in China and the search for higher yields in a low interest rate environment. This influx of capital could provide a boost to emerging market economies, fueling growth and innovation. Could this be the start of a new era of prosperity for emerging markets? Let me know your thoughts down below. However, there are also clouds on the horizon. The potential return of Donald Trump to the White House has raised concerns about renewed protectionist measures and trade wars. Trump has already threatened to impose tariffs on countries with large trade surpluses with the U.S., including Vietnam. This could disrupt global trade flows and negatively impact emerging market economies, particularly those that rely heavily on exports. Will Trump's trade policies derail the emerging market rally? Only time will tell. Interestingly, Vietnam is making a move that could be interpreted as an olive branch to the U.S. by paving the way for Elon Musk's Starlink to provide satellite internet services in the country. This decision allows for full foreign control of operations for internet providers with low-orbit satellites, which is a key requirement for Musk. Is this a strategic move to appease the U.S. and avoid potential tariffs? Or is it simply a pragmatic decision to improve internet access in Vietnam? The answer is likely a combination of both. Meanwhile, in India, Uber is adapting to the intense competition in the ride-hailing market by adopting a zero-commission model for its autorickshaw drivers. This strategy mirrors that of local rivals and aims to attract and retain drivers by offering them a more favorable revenue split. Is this a sign that Uber is losing ground in India? Or is it simply a smart move to stay competitive in a challenging market? Let me know your thoughts. Back in China, the government is actively trying to reassure the private sector by emphasizing that the current environment is very conducive to its development. Officials are promising to implement policies to ease the difficulties faced by private firms and to break down investment barriers. This is a clear signal that the government is committed to supporting the private sector and fostering innovation. Will these efforts be enough to restore confidence and drive economic growth? That remains to be seen. So, what does all of this mean? Well, it's clear that the AI landscape is in a state of flux. The talent wars are heating up, with companies like Thinking Machines lab poaching top researchers from established players. China's tech sector is showing signs of a resurgence, fueled by AI advancements and supportive government policies. And emerging markets are attracting capital inflows, creating new opportunities for growth. But there are also challenges, including the potential for renewed trade wars and regulatory uncertainties. The next few years will be crucial in determining the future of AI and the global tech landscape. Stay tuned, because this is going to be a wild ride. The race is on. Will Murati's new venture become a dominant force in AI? Can China's tech sector truly challenge the dominance of Silicon Valley? Will emerging markets capitalize on the AI revolution? These are the questions that we'll be exploring in the coming months and years. The answers are far from certain, but one thing is clear. The future of AI is going to be shaped by the choices we make today. What do you think will happen next? Let me know in the comments below. As always, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth analysis of the latest tech trends. See you next time.